Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge for diffusion, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Begin with accessing Tab menu. Now you need to look for location shortcut, and when you find it, tap on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that location is on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on the same icon. If you want to, you can always go into settings as well and look for location section here. When you find it, click on it and manage location of your device by tapping on this switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!